What's up, family? Welcome back to yet another valuable video. So, as you can see on my screen, I am going to be teaching you how to trade the New York Stock Exchange opening bell on US30. On the previous video, prior to this one, I covered how to trade NASDAQ. And of course, we're going to be going into how to trade US30. I did write everything down for you so you can write notes, pause and write notes just in a point summary, but I'm gonna visualize everything and just show you exactly what you're gonna do. Now, I did create previous videos before, so if you're quite new to this whole thing, do check out our previous video on US30 um, opening bell strategy. Okay, now let's go to the actual things that we're gonna need here just to set up this thing. So of course, we're gonna need our trading view. So this is our trading view, just your chart over there. Okay, once you got your trading view, please do just stick to using trading view for this. Okay, and of course, we're gonna need our investing.com app. I will put its link or something like that, or its logo on the screen. I'm not affiliated with them. This is not a promotion. I genuinely just use their app. And of course, what we need to set up here on your trading view, I'm gonna need you to add your 50 EMA. Okay, then I'll explain as we go. Now, this 50 EMA, as you can see on my chart, I just switched now to my chart. You can go over here where it says indicators. You can just search and say moving average. So when you search even move over there, you can see it gives you this. I just studied on my side. Okay, moving average exponential. That's what you need. It's gonna be on its default settings. So you're gonna go over here, click settings. You're gonna set it to length. You're gonna set it to 50. So that's what we need there as the length. And everything should be the same on your end as mine over here. Your smooth should be, your method should be SMA. Okay, length should be 5 over there. And you can just say, okay. I hope you did the same. You can just change the color if you want to, like some of us, we do like our charts to be quite nice and pleasing, or rather matching your brand, whatever you want to do. Okay, I'll just turn it into black over there. Okay, once we've done that, we want to go all the way now to investing.com. As I said, here we're going to be listing and adding US30 influencers. So I'm just going to record my screen in a second, then I'll be showing you and guiding you right now. So you can see my screen. It's right on the left-hand side or right-hand side, depending on how you're watching your screen. Okay. This is the app when you just open it, even after downloading it. It will want you to open a profile. I do have a profile with them, so you can open it. It's free of charge. You don't have to pay anything. Now, it may differ as per phone, right? But on Android, you have watch list over here. Okay, I've already added them, but let me just walk you through. You have watch list where you add portfolios of stocks that you want to watch. Okay, US30 with 30 companies, industrial companies, but we're going to be watching 7 of them. So as you can see, I've already added it, but I'm just going to show you how to go about it. Okay, you will need to click new portfolio. It will let you write the name. You can write US30 influencers, or you can just write US30 stocks. Once you've done that, you can create portfolio, and then you can just click the portfolio, for example. There's a plus right here, okay? Right at the top that I've just clicked. There's a plus. Then you can just sort of search these companies that I'm on a list for you. So for example, let's say Apple over here. It will show you exactly the Apple. Please, it should have a USA flag because these other companies are present in other countries rather. So like your Apple is present in other countries or listed as a stock in other stock markets. So please let it be a USA flag to signify that it's under the New York Stock Exchange um, market over there. Now, the list of companies that I would like you to add that we're gonna watch Basically their stock prices go up and down in terms of the day, but you're not watching the whole day. It's just that you want to see this stuff here. This red figures are just the stock prices just dipping up in terms of the increase and so forth. We do have in white the market caps of that, and it's very important when I talk about the market cap. Okay, so let's list them. We have the American Express, we have the Jan, we have the Able, we have the Boeing, we have the Caterpillar, we have the Cisco, we have the Chevron. Okay, now that is you just setting up this companies over here. Now let's talk about two major confluences that we will need for the strategy that makes the strategy work. So the first one is take the biggest market cap and use its technical bias on M5. I will show you what I mean by that. Okay, so you'll go to this biggest one. As you can see, it has Caterpillar actually, it has about 378 market cap. So it's the largest compared to any of this. And when you click it over there, as you can see, it shows you the market cap, it shows you the share price percentage going up and down. You want to take your eyes all the way here on this bar that shows overview. You want to go all the way to technicals. Okay. When you're on technicals, it shows you all time frames under there. Okay. You want to click all the way to M5. Okay, as you can see, M5, it shows you a technical summary of all the indicators and price confluences there. As you can see, I'm scrolling down all the way. It shows you a summarized of a strong sell or strong buy. You want to see strong sell or strong buy. Okay, nothing less than that. Please hear me, nothing less than that. Okay, I'll show you when to use it and so forth. We're just setting up right now. Okay, then of course you want to go to USDT M5 to see the 50 EMA in line with your technical bias on investing.com. So when you're on your chart like this, for example, this was just one of the news that took place. We can clearly see, let me just draw something here for you. Um, we can clearly see that when the news came up, this was being pressed by the market. So if we had strong sell like this together with the moving average pressing down the market, it was going to be a good trade to take and it was going to go in your direction. Okay, that's the basis of the strategy. That's all you need to understand. Do not click off and say, hooray, I've got it now. Important rules that I have to tell you and how to go about it. Okay, as you can see, so when it presses on and you also have strong sell, yes, you can sell. If it's showing you strong buy on your investing.com indicators, for example, you have it here, supporting the market, in this case, something similar to this, and you also have strong buy, then you can go ahead and buy the market. So these confluences are very much good. Please do use them in line with what I'm telling you. If you know what you're doing, then you can use them otherwise for anything else. Okay, so now let's just understand how to trade about this, guys. Let's say over here, this was the New York Stock Exchange opening bell for this market over here, US30, as we're dealing with US30. I would love for you to go at least 3 minutes before that market moves. So before the New York Stock Exchange bell is rang, let me just tell you the time right away. So the time there, if you're in SA, please do Google the time that it happens in your local time zone. If you're anywhere else watching, I believe many international people are watching this video. Now, if you're in South Africa, let me just make it easy for you, right? It's gonna be 15:30 on normal time zone. Okay. What do I mean by that normal time zone is because we're dealing with the New York Stock Exchange and it changes times from time to time. When it changes that time, it usually changes to 4:30. Reason being because of the daylight savings. You can just search that whole phenomenon that happens during winter. So they shift the time, I believe, forward or backwards. I'm not sure about that, but it does affect the timing of the impact of the New York Stock Exchange opening bell or the time it's rang. Okay. And I will announce it if you're a subscriber of this video. I will announce it when they change those times so that you trade within the right times. Okay, it's not displayed anywhere. You just gotta know it by watching this video, I guess. So let's say at 3:30 you want to trade the New York Stock Exchange. You want to go to your chart on the 5 minutes chart 3 minutes before. You want to, of course, the first confluence is always seeing again the technical bias that you have on your investing.com. Okay. And then once again, you want to go to your trading view, okay, and see if the EMA is supporting or is resisting according to your technical bias. So if they match, you take the trade. And then, of course, if they don't match, that's when we go into the strategy limits. Strategy limits. Because it's a free strategy, this will have limits. Okay? Because it's a free strategy, it will have limits. And now, the limit number one, if the technical bias and the 50 EMA don't match, don't trade. Don't trade. I want to say it again. Do not trade. Do not force the trade because you need to make money. You have a free strategy, it's limited. We have some generals that will force this phenomenal over here and lose money and come back and say, I lost money. You will lose money for sure because you don't respect the basis of this strategy. Number two, it needs to be liquid market. So USDT is a good liquid market, but when it's bank holidays, there is no liquidity. Okay, so look out for bank holidays, especially USA bank holidays. Stay away from trading the New York Stock Exchange opening bell. Now, because it's a free strategy, as I've said, it will have some limits. Now, for some of you guys who might want more than this limited strategy, it's good, it's accurate, but let's say you want more, you want to level up and be able to tell this markets, let's say every day of the week, then we have something great for you, right? That is included in our advanced trading course available in our website over there. Now, the reason why I'm telling you about this is because we have an anniversary. We've been operating for the past 4 years, impacting so many of you in a very positive way in this Forex industry. And many of you who've been watching us, or it's your first time watching, you love how we do, you love how I teach. You can now enroll with us at a very discounted price than the usual price that we have. 60% off to enroll with us and be part of us. Now you can take this opportunity or you can just stick to just using the strategy. It's accurate but limited. So there's some days where you won't be able to trade because the rules and the limits of the strategy say that you should back off if the variables do not match. But then we have a powerful strategy that allows you to trade all news, that allows you basically to trade your USDT as well as NASDAQ. We call it NASDAQ Heist or USDT Heist. It's so good to be able to get you the sniper entries, to be able to get you in the volatility. And we have many more strategies and just a loving, positive Discord community where we have Zoom sessions and so forth. So we want to grow you within your journey. So 60% off that is really going to assist you into growing further and further and reaching new heights. Remember, this is not a promise to say, oh, you're going to be a billionaire or millionaire overnight. Trading is a gradual journey. It is not a sprint, but a marathon that you have to run gradually learning, okay, where you gradually make money. So that is, we want to be real as possible. So that's why I tell you that. Okay, so but nevertheless, thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, you can write down this note, pause, do back test. One important thing, go back in your chart and see how often this works. Okay, you might need to forward test in real time so you can actually see when you have these confluences together and how it plays out. Please, 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 that's a very important thing. And of course, if it's your first time watching us, do subscribe to this channel. More content like this is coming up where we bless you guys with some awesome free strategies that elevate your trading and really allow you to be on the door of making profits. Anyway, see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching and God